And the future of physical therapy cannot be built only on more visits or higher volume. It has to be built on more volume, not more volume, more value. And value in healthcare comes from three things. 1, better access. 2, better decisions. 3, better outcomes. This is how insurance providers and even referral sources or even patients, knowingly or unknowingly, they attach a certain value to you and your practice based on these three things: better access, better decisions, better outcomes. And this is where diagnostics becomes so important, because diagnostics changes the position of physical therapy. It transforms your identity. It transforms your practice's identity. Diagnostics moves physical therapy from being only a treatment provider to becoming a clinical decision maker. And that changes everything. When a physical therapy practice integrates diagnostics like EMG, nerve conduction studies, and musculoskeletal ultrasound, the practice becomes different. It transforms. It is no longer just a place where patients go after someone else has made the diagnosis. It becomes the place where answers are found. It becomes a place where clinical uncertainty is reduced. It becomes a place where unnecessary delays can be avoided. It becomes a place where patients, physicians, attorneys, employers, and payers can receive objective information. And that, my friends, is powerful. Let's take a patient with shoulder pain. Without diagnostics, that patient may go through weeks of treatment, multiple referrals, imaging delays, insurance denials, and uncertainty. But with a simple musculoskeletal ultrasound, integrated appropriately into your clinical process, the provider may identify a rotator cuff tear, bursitis, calcific tendinopathy, biceps tendon pathology, or other structural findings much easier. That changed the plan from day one, not after weeks. That changes the referral. That changes the documentation. And that changes the outcome. Now, think about the other patient, the patient with numbness and tingling in the hand. Is it carpal tunnel syndrome? Is it cervical radiculopathy? Is it peripheral neuropathy, double crash syndrome, or something else altogether? EMG and nerve conduction studies can provide objective diagnostic information that helps guide care. That means better decisions. Better decisions mean better outcomes. Better outcomes mean higher value. And higher value is exactly what independent physical therapy practices need in this healthcare environment.